Using the custom widget will allow you to add different things. So I typically use it for adding social links and graphics, more branding, more fonts, because we can add more colors. So I use the custom widget for our website. To do that, my workaround is going into the blog, and I have a lot of stuff. So here you can see I have something in draft. Go to your blog, create a post. So I'll just pretend I'll do that. Edit, and you see here I can add graphics. Make sure that you center it. That may, because otherwise it's going to go left justified and it'll look weird. So add the image, and then you come over here to the source code, and you're going to enter the bracket, center bracket. That'll put that image centered. And you want that because otherwise it's going to go all the way to the left. There's not a center button when you're on here. This won't work for a graphic. So what we want to do is upload the graphic. We don't, and I don't think most don't, I don't like to put them over 600 pixels wide just because I want it to look okay on the mobile version. So I do try to keep any graphics under that. But the biggest thing is add the graphic, add whatever verbiage you may want. Then what we do is we go over here to the source code, and we're going to copy all of this. Now when we come back over, so we copy all that, save it as a draft. We don't need to publish it. Then you're going to come back over to your website content, come over to widgets, and you have a custom widget. So you see here the custom widget. I think it'll make you name it. So if you come over here to custom, it'll have you name it. Just put in a name, and right here is where you're going to, and I didn't copy that. You're going to copy that code, and then you can save it. So I'm just going to X out of here so you can see what that will look like. So I just put contact info so I know when I'm dragging and dropping where that goes. And here is that source code, and you save it. Once you have it saved, you can reorganize it. You know, you can drag and drop these widgets however you want it to display on the homepage. So that is my workaround to be able to add custom content. Just go into the blog so that you need it HTML. So I can use the blog, grab my HTML after I get my design. And sometimes I'll have to tweak a little bit, but that is my workaround for adding my custom content to my homepage. Hope that helps.